Here's 3 tips to help you edit faster in DaVinci Resolve 18. Up to the top left where it says DaVinci Resolved and where it says keyboard customization. So what this effect is called, it's called ripple. So we'll just pull down here where it says trim. So end to playhead and then start to playhead. So what the playhead essentially is this red line right here that basically follows where you are in the clip. So I chose my customization to be W and Q because I like to work left to right and I like to have my hand on the keyboard, of course, but you can change it to whatever you want. So I'm gonna listen to the clip and see where it is in the song. Okay, so I want it to end right here where the beat comes in, so I'm gonna change it right there. If I do Q, it's gonna cut everything to the left of the playhead, and if I do W, it's gonna cut everything to the right. I wanna go in and keep everything on the left, so I'm gonna click W, and it's gonna cut everything to the right. It's like magic. I love it. So here's a quick way to rearrange your clips. Let's say I want to switch that clip out. Like I want something else to go after this or this scene. I think that'll add to the story. All you have to do is hold Shift, Control, comma will switch the clip to the left, period will switch the clip to the right. So all I gotta do is switch it like that. Or if I want to switch it to the right, just press period. But I wanted to go here. Easy enough. Here's a quick way to, like, when you're editing your clips, to add them to your timeline. If you press L, it'll start the video going forward. If you press K, it'll stop the video. If you press J, it'll reverse the video. It's a good way to like scroll through your videos and kind of like pick the areas that you like the clip. If you press I, it'll have an endpoint. So basically I want this section of the clip, and then O will be the last part of the video that I want. So I'm gonna watch a video. I like that part. Where the girl walks by, then press O, and then all I have to do is press F12, and then it sends it to the end wherever your playhead is. Amazing.